suddenly that even I am मैं बहुत जल्दी सब कुछ हुआ. So I'm still reeling from that, and then suddenly it just took off so well. I mean, people were so happy to see us there on the stage and representing Pakistan. I had no idea कि वो इस तरह की reception मिलेगी.
एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे. यू आर सेइंग कि बहुत जल्दी हुआ. मेरे ख्याल से what took Cannes so long, you know?
This is actually my third invitation.
Yeah.
But पहली दफा मैं एक competitive brand के साथ in contract थी, so I couldn't work with L'Oreal.
Right.
Then the second time, I was filming the web series in the UK, so I couldn't just leave. And then the third call came, मैंने कहा अब, then I have or not even 1 year old, and I said अब मैं. So then everyone was like, this is the third, अब तो जाना पड़ेगा. Now don't, like, we'll make it happen.
Yeah.
So
and what a debut, Sanam. You made us so proud. You looked so good, but that clip that you put up, I think what you said about your tribute to Begum Shamim Ara and about, you know, those women who made it possible for us to do what we're doing today. I think it was so gracious and it was so well articulated.
I'm not just walking the red carpet. I walk carrying every woman who's stitched, written, directed, watched, and dared to dream.
I was like, you know, हमने सोचा ये बहुत लोग ये नहीं कर सकते थे. So, you know, you did it so well.
Thank
you. Absolutely. How do you feel right now? How are the emotions? I mean,
it just happened. Even the process वहाँ होना, it's, you know, there's so much to do in such little time. I didn't have 5 days there. I didn't have 6 days there. I had maybe 4, मुश्किल से, like say 3 whole days. और उसमें सब कुछ करना था. It was just, I had my sister, and I couldn't even, my manager couldn't go with me. Visa, suddenly it was so last minute, so luckily I had my sister with me. And the US Productions, sorry. He's a gentleman, a young guy, a Pakistani American living in America, in New York, who has this production house and has अपनी short films को festival runs में करा चुका है वो, Venice Film Festival, Cannes Film Festival. And so just while networking, he's like, where are the Pakistanis on the global stage?
Yeah.
So now that he's on one of the panels at Cannes, he was asked to then submit some names. So from the fashion world, some names went, and from artists, some names went, and उसमें से Hussain Rehan and myself were picked. And वो final हुआ lock, and he called and he said, please come as our guests, honorary guests, and this is the first time we're doing this initiative, and we'd like to make this a yearly thing, but you got to kick it off. मैंने कहा अल्लाह हमेशा मैं first timers के साथ, but ठीक है, fine, one for the guinea pig for first timers, let's do this. So obviously a lot of learning curves, a lot to learn, but he did it. You know, it was his vision, Hassan, and he pulled it off. He's really passionate about Pakistanis being on the global stage. And it just sounded, I was like, I'm not representing a film. ना मैं किसी brand के साथ हूँ, तो मैं clear नहीं हूँ मैं क्यों जा रही हूँ, like किस तरह. But it was just an invitation to Pakistanis to represent South Asian women in film, and Hussain as an artist. And I think that in itself became bigger than going for any other reason.
Absolutely.
And there was. And I was like, oh my God, this is, I guess, the best opportunity, because we can actually go and watch a film. We can actually go be part of a premiere of the film. We went for the Japanese film, Sheep in the Box.
And Japanese films were big this year.
Yes. And there was, what else was there? There was the Deadline magazine panel where Hispanics and other people of color were discussing how the struggles that people of color who are filmmakers, the struggles that they face. And it's real, like, white people are everywhere, and it's very easy to get into the business. So where are the people of color? And I was like, yes, where are the South Asians? We are people of color. हमारे लिए. So it was just interesting to be, I wasn't part of that panel, but I was there seeing, and I was like, these are the conversations that I want to be around. इस तरह के हमारे Pakistanis should be on these panels, and they should be discussing this also. And अगर आप उस पैनल पे ना भी हो, अपनी अवेयरनेस के लिए कि हाँ ये भी तो हमारे हकूक हो सकते हैं, ये भी हो रहा है, हमें इन चीज़ों पे बातें करनी चाहिए. इस तरह के टॉपिक्स पे हम भी फिल्में बना सकते हैं, कहानियां बना सकते हैं. So it was just eye-opening and amazing to be there, apart from just being, it looks like I was just there for fashion, but really it was really engaging to be there with, the most exciting part was not the film part, it was with the exhibition, जहाँ पे Hussain Rehan के 3 outfits were on exhibit, there was an exhibition, and we were able to claim our traditional work. तो अभी हो रहा है ना कि स्कैंडिनेवियन स्कार्फ कहलाता है दुपट्टा. भाई अगर किमोनो को आप किमोनो कह रहे हैं, statement we're making everywhere. It's a collar dupatta or dupatta.
Yeah.
Ralph Lauren agar jhumke bana raha hai, bhai,
Collar
give it
jhumka.
the source extract ko give it a name.
Yeah.
Where it's coming from, the dupatta, the jhumka, the kolapuri, the khussa, the zardozi, the meenakari, whatever the kaam is, it has a name and it comes from somewhere.
Yeah.
So that was exciting to be the voice for that. And that's where the whole narrative that we were like, you know, what about the people who do this kaam? Who are those people?
I
what
saw
about...
that post and you've listed all the names that have worked on the outfit.
You know, I said, Hussain, we want the names. And I said, ये तो सारे मर्द हैं, but I know they're women because एक औरत कारखाना में कैसे जाएगी जब उसको घर भी चलाना है और बच्चे भी संभालने हैं. वो कैसे इतने hours on a, you know, पता नहीं 2000 घंटे लगते हैं इतनी जल्दी. A man can only be out of the house 24 hours. So it's hard to, it's just such a strange... I was like, I want to see more women in this list, but he's like, you know, the timings are so... I mean, that was interesting. And Shamim Ara ka ye tha ki Hassan and I were like, so we're doing this for Pakistani women, we're doing this as women, but like, there's a legacy behind us. Inki wajah se hum aaj idhar hai na.
Bilkul.
And every decade has that. Because of a set of women before us, we are now able to do certain things. So my favorite from the list was Rani Ji and Begum Shamim Ara. But I feel I didn't resonate with Begum Shamim Ara more, but she's also a British Pakistani.
Right.
I'm not a producer director, but it was just something about her, just the way she carried herself, her look, her walk, her talk. I've also been part of wo jo kya tha Tarang ka jo those films.
Right. I remember.
Dil Mera Dhadkan Teri.
Yeah.
उनका जो गाना था किया है जो प्यार उस पे भी मी सरवत and Essendon, so there was some kind of connection. That I was like, Shamim Ara Begum is the one that, and it was not like no speech about Begum Shamim Ara, no, like it was just we picked a person, we created a script, and this is our way of just wanting to pay tribute to her.
A lot of people compared
keep her colors of her outfits in mind.
Exactly. A lot of people compared your looks to her iconic looks as well. Was that deliberate or did it just happen?
Some of them happened. Some of them were deliberate. One of them was deliberate. The green. Well, the green was already from his collection, but you know, we were like, that's the one because it's got. Not that anyone's going to pick it out, but then people did pick it out. It's amazing. People khud jo dots connect karte hain, so that becomes an exciting moment for, I guess. And it becomes a proud moment for everyone. They're like, yes, Shamim Ara is our superstar of yesteryear.
Absolutely.
So, जिनको नहीं पता था उनके बारे में, उनको अब पता है वो कौन थी. जो connection ढूंढना चाह रहे हैं, connections मिल गई. And somebody else also asked me in an interview, do we pay enough respect to our actresses of the past, or is it only in the West do they get that acknowledgement? I don't know if it's only in the West they get the acknowledgement, but we do need to give them a little bit more respect.
Absolutely.
ये जो जिस तरह act कर रहा है to find out के are they financially stable? Do they need any financial support? ये हमारे उस ज़माने के like superstars थे, and just because they're not relevant anymore, they've faded away. इसका ये नहीं मतलब कि आप उनकी मदद ना करें.
Actually, you know, now in my head you've kick-started 3 different conversations, which is great. So the first conversation is that isn't this a great moment to be a Pakistani? Do you feel that this is a breakthrough moment right now? You know, especially when we talk about South Asian representation, and this is a conversation that has started now, कि ठीक है, South Asia है, लेकिन हमें कुछ थोड़ा सा पाकिस्तान को भी reclaim करना है, identity बनानी है, अपनी भी बनानी है, हमारे artists हैं, हमारे stars हैं, हमारा craft है, उसको पाकिस्तानी craft भी कहना है.
Yes, not just South Asian.
Not just South Asian. So do you feel that it's a breakthrough also with artists like Riz Ahmed, for example?
Exactly.
Who are making it a point.
He used
Absolutely.
on the soundtrack for Babe. He actively, got Pakistani artists to be on the track. To be like, South Asian production, but these are Pakistani artists as he is a Pakistani.
Absolutely.
So,
absolutely.
Yeah.
And that did become a point of conversation at Cannes as well. And I mean, I was really, really pleasantly surprised that the media picked up such positivity from you. I mean, the Indian press covered in such positive ways. And I was like, yeah, this is good.
So and this is what I feel worked, not that it was planned. There was no agenda. खामोशी से हम लोग गए, खामोशी से हुआ, वो धमाका खुद ही बन गया, लोगों ने बनाया, but it was because the narrative was so simple. We wanted the brand that people are like, should we be a part of this brand? Should we not? Is it boycotted? Is it not? There's so much of that conversation also.
Would that have been a problem?
This film is boycotted. That film is boycotted. Why is it? यहाँ पे ban है तो वहाँ पे उनको क्यों वाह-वाह मिल रही? You get all this negativity bila wajah from other, but this had, it's like, oh, you're going to represent Pakistan, how, what